Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to unlink or remove Facebook from Instagram. It's a new method that works in 2021. So if you appreciate that, give this video a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. So the first thing you want to do is click on your profile picture right at the bottom right corner of Instagram. You want to click on the three dashes, go over on settings, and here you basically have your settings. And you want to go to account. It's kind of near the bottom, and you have different account options here, but the ones you need to use in 2021 because they changed the menu is sharing to other apps. And you want to click on Facebook, and you can either remove it from here by clicking this share to, or in the account center you would click here and you can remove it from here. If this video helped you out, give it a like, and I want to see you in the next video.